Today is a very exciting day for me. After waiting for several weeks, my new laser cleaning machine has finally arrived. This machine traveled from China all the way to Romania. Let's open the package and see what's inside. The package is well protected. The wooden box keeps the machine safe during long-distance transportation. Everything is packed carefully. Here is the laser cleaning machine. This is the cleaning gun, the control screen, and all the accessories. The machine looks compact and professional. I have been interested in laser cleaning technology for a long time. Today is the first step of my journey. I can't wait to test it and see the results.
Laser-driven, reshape your